In this video, I'll show you how to import and export Metafield definitions between Shopify stores using Altera. Let's start. In this example, we're working with a demo store that already contains several Metafield definitions for products and variants. To get started, open the Altera app and click on New Export. From here, select Metafield definitions from the available export options. Once selected, go ahead and start the export. Altera will generate a spreadsheet containing all your Metafield definitions. This usually takes only a few seconds. When the export is complete, download and open the spreadsheet. Inside the spreadsheet, you'll see all the key information related to your Metafield definitions. This includes the definition ID, name, object type, like products or variants, and the namespace and key. You'll also find additional settings, including validations and other configuration details. And one of the biggest advantages of exporting Metafield definitions is that you can easily make bulk changes. For example, you can update values directly in the spreadsheet and then import it back into Shopify using Altera. Because the import command is set to merge, existing Metafield definitions will be updated with any values you provide, rather than creating duplicates. This makes it easy to manage changes across large stores without manually editing each Metafield one by one. You can also use this workflow to transfer Metafield definitions between stores, helping maintain a consistent setup across multiple Shopify environments. And that's it. You can find Altera in the Shopify App Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our 24/7 support. Thanks for watching!